Let's divide 66 by 2. Super Math stars. Didn't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Ready to divide 66 by 2. Let's start with the first digit, 6. We'll use the first 6 from 66. No need to bring down any numbers yet. How many times does 2 fit into 6? It fits 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. Write that down. 6 minus 6 is 0. We have no remainder here. Awesome, you're doing fantastic. Now, let's bring down the next digit. We brought down the next digit, 6. Now we have 6 again. We're using the next digit from 66. It's like a brand new problem. How many times does 2 get into 6? You guessed it, 3 times. 3 times 2 equals 6. Perfect. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Another 0, remainder, woohoo. You're on a roll, almost there. We've used all the digits, so we're all done. We found that 66 divided by 2 equals 33. Great job, everyone. We learned how to tackle long division step by step. Remember, every problem is a chance to shun. Keep practicing and exploring with Let's Stud. See you next time, Math Whizzes.